like I said, people usually do the snap hook tech where they open up their inventory right on the right analog stick, they click it and go down on the D-pad. So it's like this, right? Well, like now the new way is basically doing the same steps, right? So you're opening up the inventory, you're going right on your D-pad. But instead of going one, two, three like this, you can set it up already. So you can have it to where you highlight, you open up your inventory, and then you highlight the safe pocket slot, right? Then you close the inventory with the same button that you used to open it. You don't click B or whatever your button is. So look, you click the button to open your inventory, you click the same button after you highlight the safe pocket with the same button as the inventory. And you close your inventory with the same button. So now it's just inventory right stick and just click A or X. It's that easy. And then same thing. So now it's right here, right? You highlight the safe pocket. You close inventory with the inventory button, not B. You close it. Now you use snap hook. Boom. That easy. I didn't do it to where it launches me, but yeah, I'll show it to you again. Highlight it, open up inventory, close inventory with inventory button, inventory right stick, A or X, right? Highlight it, close inventory with the inventory button, snap hook, do the tech, and yeah, just smoke them. That's the faster way to do it on console. So this is how to do it even faster on console. So yeah, like and subscribe, and you can catch me live on Twitch at GrimsVX.